In today's class, we are going to provide you the solutions related to the array as assignment given in class number 25. You can refer class number 25. Whatever the assignment given to you, we are giving the solution to this in today's class. The 4 questions was given related to array to find out sum of element in an array, to find out the maximum and minimum value among the array, find out the matrix addition, and find out the transpose of matrix. First question comes to find out sum of element in an array. Let we declare int x of 5 means x having the ability to store 5 values. I is taken for continuation of loop and s is taken to find out the sum of element in the array. Why I have taken 0? Because the default value of any variable is garbage, so that we have assigned it as a 0. So loop will continue 5 times. Why the loop will continue 5 times? Because 5 elements to be stored. Hence, index of array is started with 0 and last location is how much? N minus 1 means 4, means x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4. It is wrongly entered. This is double 1, but x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. Kindly adjust it. X of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and last one is x of 4. Loop will continue. I0, 0 is less than 5, yes. So first it asks you to enter the value and the first index is 0, means suppose we enter 10, the first index is 10 as a store. And whatever the value you enter, that will be added to s. What is the previous value of s? 0. 0 plus 10 means that is 10. I is incremented by 1. 1 is less than 5, yes. Next location is x of 1, this one. Suppose we enter 20. 20 plus previous value of s is 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. I is incremented by 1. 2. 2 is less than 5, yes. Next location is x of 2. Is suppose I enter 30. Then previous value was 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. And in the similar way, we go till x of 4 and 5 elements will be stored and 5 values summation will be stored in s. When I reaches at 5, 5 less than 5 false, it comes out of the loop and s will display and hence the result will be 150. And the program is run and the output is visualized in this way, and you can run the program in online editor or turbo editor and get the suitable result for it. The second question is to find out the maximum and minimum of element in an array. Suppose we have taken x of 5 for storing 5 elements starting from x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and x of 4. And how many times loop will continue? 5 times. So 5 times the loop will continue and 5 values is entered. Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is the value. There is no requirement of telling again loop how the 5 elements will store, because similar process will be taken for each and every array. What we have to do at a time of input in the previous example, we do the same thing here. Enter 5 values. Suppose the elements are represented in this way, x of 0 and ended with x of 4. Why the max and min is taken? Max and min is taken for calculating the maximum value and minimum value. Why I is taken? To continue the loop. Now for comparison, first location of x of 0 is 10, max is taken as 10. Mean the first location is 10, that is 10, means from this first location that number is maximum, that number is minimum. Now we have to continue 5 times, because after 5 times checking we can know which is maximum, which is minimum. 0 is less than 5, yes. Now what is the value of max? Is 10. What is the value of x of 0? Is 10. 10 is less than 10, no changes. Then what is the value of min? Is 10. What is the value of x of 0? Is 10. 10 is greater than 10, no, means no value change, means for the first location the value will not change at all. Again I incremented by 1. 1 is less than 5, yes. Max value is again 10, x of 1 is what? 20. Now check, 10 is less than 20, yes, means max value will be changed, because 20 is greater, means max becomes 20. Now what is the value of a min? That is remain in 10. And what is the value of x of 1? That is your 20. 10 is greater than 20? No value changes. Means among those two values, latest, max is 20 and min is 10. Again another step will continue. X I incremented by 1 means 2. 2 is less than 5. Yes. X of 2 value is how much? 30. Max value is how much? Latest 20. 20 is less than 30. Yes. Again max will carry the 30. Then what is the mean value? Is 10. What is the x of 2 value? Is 30. 10 is greater than 30? No value changes. Means among those last three elements, the maximum is 30 and the minimum is 10. In this way, we have to continue till end of the list as an array. When 5 reaches, it comes out of the loop. The max value and the mean value will be displayed. Here, the value is entered and the max and mean value is calculated. The third question is to find out the matrix addition. Matrix means it's a double dimensional array. We have taken three matrices. Two matrices to input and the Z matrix is to find out the resultant matrix. X and Y are the two matrices, input matrices, and Z is the resultant matrices. I have taken the order 2 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns because more than one row and column forms a matrix and matrix is the representation of a double dimensional array. This is first matrix, this is second matrix, this is the resultant matrix. How many times the loop will continue? Means as a double dimensional array, one is per row, one is per column. Means first subscript is per row, hence I will continue 2 times. Second subscript is per column, j is to continue for 2 times. Means 0 is less than 2, yes. 0 is less than 2, yes. First location is first matrix value, second location is second matrix value. Means first location is I0, J0 means 0, 0 means this one. Suppose we enter 10 means this value will be stored here. Again enter value for second matrix, y of ij, I value 0, j value 0 means z I y of 0, 0 means 20. Now these two elements will be added and stored in the resultant matrix. At a time we are doing means z of ij means z of 0, 0. How much? X of 0, 0 plus y of 0, 0 means 10 plus 20 is 30. Again j is incremented by 1 because row fixed, column changes. J becomes 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. Now the location is x of 0, 1, y of 0, 1. Means x of 0, 1 is this one, y of 0, 1 is this one. Means 30 and 40 is entered. J is incremented by 1. 2 is less than 2. No. Means the column dissatisfied. Means first row of each matrix is entered. Now I incremented by 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. By moving upper arrow and coming to the lower arrow, again j is initialized to 0. Means 0 is less than 2. Yes. Means next location is I value 1 and j value 0. Means x of 1, 0, y of 1, 0. Means x of 1, 0, y of 1, 0. How much value? 50 and 60 is stored. And that value summation will be stored in z of 1, 0. Means 50 plus 60 is 110. Again j is incremented by 1, j becomes 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. Next location is x of 1, 1, y of 1, 1. Means x of 1, 1, y of 1, 1 means we enter the value 70 and 80. 70 and 80. That value will be summed and stored in z of 0, 1. Means 70 plus 80 becomes what? 150. Again j incremented by 1 becomes 2. 2 is less than 2, false. Again I becomes 2. 2 is less than 2, no. It comes out of the loop, means matrix is added. Now the resultant matrix will be stored. How much time loop is continue? That much time the loop will continue for displaying the value. 0 is less than 2, yes. 0 is less than 2, yes. Z of 0, 0 means how much z of 0, 0 is 30. Again j is incremented by 1. 1 is less than 2, yes. 0 of 1 means how much? That is your 70. In this way, the rest of the element will be displayed. As the logic of matrix addition represent the first location of first matrix and the first location of second matrix added, and the result will be the resultant matrix of the first element. Then the first matrix second and the second matrix second will be added and gives you the resultant of resultant matrix the second element, and so on. Means 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 40 is 70, 50 plus 60 is 110, 70 plus 80 is 150. Means equal order matrices can be added. Next comes to the transpose of matrix. What is the transpose of matrix? Row will be the column and the column will be the row. Means suppose this is my matrix, raw matrix, source matrix. 10, 30 is in the row, that will be column, and 57 in the row, that will be in the column. That is the transpose of matrix. Only you have to remember you have to input the value in the same way, but while displaying you have to put ji. That will give you the transpose of matrix. Now I have taken the array double dimensional x22 means 4 elements is stored. Now there is no requirement of understanding you this, because as the similar way we enter double dimensional array, only you have to understand this loop. 0 is less than 2, yes. 0 is less than 2, yes. X of ji means x of 0 0 means how much? It is 10. The result is 10. Now j is incremented by 1. 1 is less than 2, yes. X of ji means j is 1, I is 0. X of 1 0. What is the value of x of 1 0? That is your 50. Hence the result will be 50. J is incremented by 1. J 1 is less than 2, no, it will go out of the loop. I is incremented by 1. 1 is less than 2, yes. Printf slash n means it comes to the next line. Again j starts with 0. 0 is less than 2, yes. Next location is how much? J value 0, I value 1 means 0 1. X of 0 1 is how much? 30. The 30 will display. J is incremented by 1. 1 is less than 2, yes. J is 1, I is 1. 1 1 means the value is 70. The value will be 70. Means the row will be the column and the column will be the row. Means 10 30 in the row, display in the column, 57 in the row and display in the column. This is known as your transpose of matrix. If you run the program, the result will be outputted. I am running the last program. In the similar way, you have to run the remaining program. Just I am running it here. Moves to your online compiler. I have written here, so I have giving you any matrix you take. Suppose I have taken 100, 200, 300, 400, and the result will be what? 100, 300, 200, 400. Or we matrix, what we the value take? 10, 20, 30, 40. It will display 10, 30 and 20, 40. Whatever you enter. Suppose in the program we have taken how much? 10, 30, 50, 70. We can run that. 10, 30, 50, 70. 10, 30, 50, 70. 10, 30, 50, 70. The result will be displayed. I think today's session you understand we solved 4 problems that I have given in your assignment. Try to understand. If you are having any doubt, please make the comment. If anything else, please make additional comment. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. Those who like the video, kindly like the video. And in the next class, we are starting one of the important chapter is function. Thank you. See you again in the next class.